Hey guys, today I'll be giving you a walkthrough of our iMarket platform. For those unfamiliar of what this platform is exactly, let me explain. iMarket allows you as a brand owner, entrepreneur, or public figure to engage in market to your targeted audience on Instagram. What that means for you is a larger following, more interaction from interested people, and lastly, higher sales if you're promoting a product. So what you'll want to do next is go to iShotAgency.com, go to services, and click on Instagram marketing. This page basically lets you know more information and lets you know how the program works overall. But what I want to do is show you how it works in this video. So what you'll want to do is click on iMarket login. From here, you're able to sign in if you already have the service. Or you can actually sign up for a 3-day free trial and get full access to fully test out how it works. So what I'll do now is I'll log in with the account that we already have set up. And what you're looking at right here is the dashboard. So the dashboard is one of the first things that you see after logging in. What it allows you to do is upload directly to your Instagram account from your computer. It also allows you to schedule posts and also write a caption. But what I want to show you more importantly is how the modules work. In order to get into the modules, we'll first have to add our Instagram account. So click on Accounts, New Account. So you'll want to enter your username and your password, and the proxy, as you can see, is optional. So you can go ahead and skip over that. That's not something you need to set up. Next, you'll get hit with a verification wall. So what you will have to do is you have two options here. You can send a verification code through SMS, which that would be a text message, or an email, and it would go to the email that's hooked up to your Instagram account. And if you're using a text, it would go to the phone that's hooked up to your Instagram account. So what I'm gonna do is click on the phone, send via SMS, and then I'm gonna wait for the security code to be sent, and then I'll enter it once I receive it. All right, so I just received the code. So what I'm gonna do is enter the code in, then I'm gonna save it. And guys, this part is important. What you want to do is open up the Instagram app, and you should receive a verification from there as well. What you want to do is simply click "This was me." Basically what's happening here is Instagram is saying, hey, your Instagram account is being used from another location, aka the iShot Agency servers. So again, you just want to verify it to make sure everything goes as smooth as possible. Now, if you receive a re-login error, all this is Instagram trying to validate our server, making sure that it's good to go to connect with your account. The solution to this is very simple. All you have to do is give it some time and then try logging in again, or simply reach out to our support team through the chat that's located on iShotAgency.com or via email, and we will help get your account connected from there. So after you hooked up your Instagram account, now we can get into the good stuff, the engagement tools. Go ahead and click on the heart icon to start with the auto like tool. What this tool will do is it will automatically like the criteria that you enter, which we're going to set up right now. After clicking on it, you should see your targeting settings, starting with hashtag, places, and people. Now, as an example, I'm going to enter some hashtags so you can see how it works. I'm going to enter fitness, workout, and weights. This is just an example. I'm acting like I'm a fitness brand. You can enter as many hashtags as you like, and the system will specifically target those hashtags that you entered. Next, we're going to jump over to places. With the places target setting, you can target anything from a state, city, country, or even a specific location, such as a local gym or a restaurant, depending on whatever it is that you want to target. Next is the people setting. From here, you'll be able to target specific accounts and their following. Let's say there's a brand that's similar to yours, perhaps a clothing line. You can target their following because you know that their following already has an interest in clothing similar to yours. This can be a brand or individual or whatever account that you have in mind and that you would like to target. So next we're going to jump over to the auto comment engagement tool. Now each engagement tool has its own targeting settings, so we're going to have to enter hashtag, places, and people again. After you enter your hashtag, places, and people, make sure that you set the status to active before moving on to comments. Now that you set the status to active, we can click on the comments tab and enter custom comments that will be used on the target settings that you just entered. You can use usernames or full names of the profile's account, so that way you can get more personal and really start engagements. The comment tool is one of the best engagement tool out of all of the engagement tools that we have because it's conversational and very personal. Your engagements should grow dramatically if you do use this tool. You can also click on the activity log to see the activity of each engagement tool and how well it's doing and when the next engagement is going to happen. Now that you set up the comment engagement tool, we can now jump over to the auto follow. After selecting an Instagram account, of course, you have the same options. Go ahead and fill those out. And what this tool does is it will automatically follow your targeted settings, enticing people to give you a follow back. Because this engagement tool works as long as you have the status to active, it will raise the chances of people following you back because it's reaching out to those specific targeting settings that you input. The last engagement tool that you want to set up is the auto unfollow. What this tool does is unfollow everyone that you picked up through the iMarket platform. Let's say you reached a number of 3,000 followers with the auto follow engagement tool. Now you want to unfollow them. This would be the engagement tool to use. If you're wanting to unfollow everyone that you picked up through the auto follow tool, make sure that you have this option selected, followed via auto follow module under the source option. This means that you will specifically unfollow everyone that you picked up through the auto follow tool. If there's specific accounts that you wish to not unfollow, go ahead and enter them in the whitelist. Now that you set up all the modules, you're good to go on the iMarket platform. Remember, this platform will allow you to grow your following and possibly make sales if you have a product. If you have any questions about the iMarket platform, feel free to contact us via live chat on our website or shoot us an email and we'll help you out. That's it for this tutorial.